Hello guys, today I'll show how to create a video from PowerPoint. Okay, to do that at first go to this slideshow tab. Okay, in the slideshow tab you see record slideshow, and to record slideshow just click here. You can state like record from the beginning. Okay, now when you click that you will get this one. Now what you can do, you see here you have different icons. Here this is microphone. You can record your voice or you can stop it, and you can also share your video, that means share your face when you're doing this video. Okay, and everything will be recorded with the slide. If you want you can select these things, or if you don't, just mute it. Okay, now here you have some functions. You can write something here, whatever you want. Video, whatever you want, you can write something here. Okay, and here we have different options. Just I don't want to write anything. You can write something and it will be recorded as a video. Now these are the actually functions what you can do here while you are recording the video. Now you start recording. Record. I start recording. It starts. Now at first what I want to do is like write something, later on you can see what's happening here. Hello, you can write anything. Okay, then I am just erasing this part. Now go to the next slide, and remember actually you have to think about this. And here you see the timing, how many seconds or how long you spent on a specific slide. Like for this slide we're spending, or I already spent 18 seconds, and this is the total time. Okay, if you need more time you can spend time here. Actually this is the timing per slide. You can write anything. I'm not writing anything right now. Then you go next slide. Suppose I will give only 10 seconds for this slide. Wait for 10 seconds, and then after 10 seconds go to the next slide. Here this, that is it. And you can say whatever you want, whatever you need, you just say and do the things and look at the timing. And finally when you're done, stop. And then from here you see, close this. Now here, okay, this is we are not done yet. Actually in the what we did, we are like fixing things. Actually how long we will spend for each slide and what to say. If you want to say anything, everything is set up here. Now this is time to make the video. Now after this go to file, and after the file you can see here export. Then create a video. Then how do you do this is, you can select different quality and use and here you have different options. Use recorded timing and narration. Actually what we already is speak during the recording, and about the timing we already set it there. If you select this one, actually it will just record the slides, nothing the timing what we did. Actually we have to select this one, use recorded timing and narrations, and create a video. It's creating a video. Where to put this video, and I just put some. I think now it's working. Here you have the video. Now play the video. I think it's done. That's how we can make any video.